Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. So thank you for Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you, I really appreciate. Today I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial on how to slay your brows from this to this. Now if this is something you are interested in, then keep on watching. So the first thing I do is to use a setting powder. You can use any setting powder that you have to powder my brows because I have oily face, and this helps to keep my brows intact throughout the rest of the day and produce less oil. I go in with a spoolie brush, this, to just comb my brows up. Then I'm going in with my pencil. You can use anything, brow gel, but I prefer to use a pencil. And this is from Davies, number 18. To just fill in my brows lightly. I draw a very faint straight line. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because we are still going to conceal it. Concealing my brows with this concealer from Zikel Second Skin HD lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer in the shade Nude. This is a shade lighter than my skin tone, so I'm going to be using this to conceal my bottom brow. I'm going to be using the shade Cafe, which is closer to my skin tone, to conceal the top of my brows. I'm going to be using an angled brush this is from Vanity Planet, and it's their angled precision brush. Always remember to go through this direction when you're concealing your brows. Like, you want to go through this way instead of this way. This way you have more control over what you're doing. Where you clean up any mistake you made when you are drawing your brows. Now I'm taking the shade that is like closer to my skin tone to clean up the top of my brows. And then you can see what I did. I didn't start from here to conceal because I want to like make it look like more natural. So I start from here to clean it up so that it won't have the box shape. I hate those stuff. So I start from here to clean it up to give it a more natural look. Remember, your brows are not going to be twins, so it will never be the same. I don't think anybody's two brows look exactly the same. So you try as much as possible to make it look like sisters, but not twins. You can try, but you end up doing your brows for like 5 hours. We're going to use this Zoevea brush that I use in powdering my brows, and this is their concealer buffer to clean it up. To get that perfect light brows that I usually have in all my videos, I use the NYX tinted brow moisturizer. It lightens up my brows. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.